G'day, it's Warren Davis from Davis May Building. We're here at Mount Eliza again. We've had the roof finished since last time and the bricklayers are on site to hopefully finish in the next few days. We had the windows delivered last week. We're installing today as well, and we should be looking to get into lock up in the next few weeks.